Alright, so today is Thursday. We are going to make another quick market review. Right, so we are going to start as usual with USD CHF. So as USD CHF, let's start with last week. Actually, we're looking to take an counter trend to the downside, but we didn't get confirmation. As you can see, this is daily time frame. Daily time frame, so we're waiting the price to have a doji rejection around here to produce similar price reaction, then the market continue move to the downside, but that move didn't happen. We have doji rejection, like we have two doji rejection around this area, but the price didn't manage to give us a clear entry entry signal around here, so we avoided this loss. We avoided this loss by simply waiting for the confirmation. As you can see, I was waiting the price to break and retest this area, which is 1 hour to shift market structure to the downside so that I can take this trade. As you know, for me to take a counter trade, I need 1H time frame to shift in the direction that I wanted. As you can see, we didn't provide that clear break. We provided that, of course, break here, but we didn't manage to. I wasn't first of all here to capture this trade. So if we go back to lower time frame, let's see if we could have taken this. We could have took this trade. As you can see, we break there. Okay, we have that. Even though the price didn't provide that with engulfing candlestick around here, we have something like here, but I was actually not interested in taking this trade. Yeah, so actually I avoided that loss. Euro USD, this trade still on my break even. This is a trade that I took. I think I took this trade on Monday. I think, yeah, it was Tuesday. So Tuesday after break, retest everything, but this trade didn't manage to reach at the area that was anticipated. Still playing around my break even. Let's see 1 hour time frame. As you can see, this is actually this is a break even trade. This is break even trade because if I'm looking to what I'm looking to break this to the downside, first of all, for it we must have that a strong bearish, strong engulfing candlestick. 1 hour must shift the structure to the downside. As you can see, this price, we have massive push downside, and then it break this, the break of this structure under EMA. So those are the criteria for me to close this trade at break even. Currently, you have to know that currently I'm managing two accounts. I'm managing got funded 5 account and got funded 10k instant account. But the current status on my got funded 5 account, I'm 1.7 drawdown, and got funded 10k account, I'm 1.5 drawdown. So yeah, so let's see, that is Euro USD and ZD USD. Actually, this was a trade that I took last week. This Euro USD. Okay, let's come to GBP. I mean NZD CHF. NZD CHF, if you start on daily time frame, this time frame, this trade I was looking to go buy, but look at this beautiful trade. We are looking to buy around here, but price didn't give us a clear rejection as I wanted, because on 4H time frame I want price this 4H time frame to give us a clear break and retest to the downside so that I can consider taking this. This trade didn't provide that clear break and retest, so I didn't get involved in this trade. If we look to 4H time frame, if you look to daily time frame, I see something like here, but I wasn't here to capitalize on this counter trend trade. I see counter trend trade, like we have one doji rejection. We have, whenever we reach here, price give us a doji rejection, bearish doji rejection, then price went to the downside. Doji rejection, price goes to the downside. Doji rejection, so the same thing happened around here, the same level, doji rejection, went to downside. So 4H time frame, this was a very good counter trend trade, very good counter trend trade. As you can see, 1 hour break or break and retest. But actually it's now when I'm seeing this trade, I wasn't available in the market to take this trade, but actually as you can see now, this was the high and low. High, if we take this structure like higher, low, higher, higher, low, higher, high, structure point, structure point, structure point, and then we break it. I think we close above here, so we go structure point, we break here, boom, after downside. If we bring this structure point over here, around here, can have something. This is when price shifted to downside, so price shift to downside, so our entry could have been around this thing, also created left. I like this because we have I don't know, something called the liquidity sweep. I don't know, we have equal highs over here, equal highs. I don't know, price come break there and then we shift section downside, whatever. I'm not fan of ICT concept. I use ICT concept to trade my funded account, my live account. Okay, so let's come here. So we break. This could have been very clear trade, but they didn't manage to capture it. But you guys, you can see the logic. You can see the logic behind here. You can, for those people who maybe, for those people who watch for those people who watch my video actually. If you see like how I'm trading basic on what the price is giving me, what the price is showing me, so that I'm capitalizing up. If just look, this is a strong resistance level, resistance support level for now, because currently it's a strong resistance level. Whenever price come here, head to downside, head to downside, head to downside, head to, but not only to say I'm not just seeing that okay, this is a strong resistance, sell at the resistance. No, the price has to give me a similar price reaction around the same level so that I can take the trade, because there is higher probability of the price to repeat itself. So that's why I'm waiting also the price to give the same reaction. So after price has given me similar reaction either in the 4H time frame, daily time frame, and weekly time frame, those are the time frames that I'm looking to take sales trade to take if I'm trading a counter trend trade. So it might be not only counter trend trade, but also other trade, but not only counter trend trade, but even if in the in I mean in I'm trading with a trend, what I'm looking is like the trade must show me its end. The price has shown me its end first before me before I'm react to what the market is doing. So I'm waiting the price to give. If I'm waiting for the shift of market structure for the highest probability setup, the price has to give me or to show me that okay, once I'm here at this level, the price is most likely to produce something like this before it continues to downside. So as you can see over here, the same thing happened, simple counter trade. We call it a counter trade, but sometimes a counter trade can be a higher probability trade. So let's come with the NZD-USD. NZD-USD, this is the trade that I managed to quote. Let me explain this trade. First of all, you can see around here, this was my I think I explained this trade in my previous video. I was anticipating to take a counter trend trade. You can see there is ugly like because I used different approach on the market. So let's delete this one. If you come to 15 time frame, you can see I have different. So let's ignore this one because this is my something like ICT concept I'm using to pass prof-M and something like that. At the beginning of the week, what I was interested first of all was to taking a counter trend trade to price to come and retest around here, but I explained that I didn't manage to get a confirmation, so I left that trade. As you can see on my weekly analysis, I said that there is a strong engulfing candle and shifted to the downside. 4H, I said if 4H will close it to bullish candle, I will be start to break out to the upside. The same thing happened over here, but I didn't take the trade because the checklist didn't aligned, so I just left the trade. So the actual trade was this one. The actual trade is this one, like you can see. You can see whenever, for me to take a trade, the price has to react from the area of interest. As you can see, this was on Monday. We have this rejection candlestick around here. I'm going to show you clearly. I was waiting the price either to retest this area of interest over here, or the price to retest area of interest over here. Whenever the price, area that's the price will reach first and give me all the conference to take a trade, that's when I will act on that trade. I cannot anticipate that, okay, for me to take a trade, the price must reach only at the second area of interest. No, but the price has to show me that, okay, I'm at this first area of interest, and it give me all the conference, so that when I will just take a trade. So let's break down this trade. So this trade I took this trade like this one. First of all, let's come to daily time frame. Daily time frame, as you can see, shit. So I'm going to remove this and this one, so that the chart can look very clean. I have 3 minutes 4 minutes left to break down this trade. At the beginning of the week, during my weekly analysis, I said that I'm waiting the price price actually to have this. As you can see, we have first of all a strong engulfing candlestick around here. So at the beginning of the week, I was waiting the price to have a little weekly time frame price to give us a weekly test around here, and then you continue moving to downside. If you come to daily time frame, we have also, I was waiting the price to come and retest this strong area of interest. So I was waiting the price either to reject here or reject around here, to reject along with EMA. Though if the price could have come and retest the second area of interest, could be there will be one added conference which will be the retest of the EMA. So that is just added conference, list of the dynamic support and resistance. For each time frame, the price come and retest around this area, as you can see. So the first time the price come retest from this area, give us a rejection. As you can see, this bearish rejection around here. If you come to lower time frame, like one time frame, for me to take a trade, as you know, the for me actually to take this trade, okay, we have this rejection candlestick over here. This was around 2 a.m. Yeah, this is around 2 a.m. So okay, so price, of course, 1 hour time frame were completely bearish. If we come to 30 minutes, we are still bullish. As you can see, we have low. Okay, well, 13 minutes also we are bearish. 15 minutes here is what happening. So 15 minutes, as you can see, we are having until this point we are having this was the high and this was the low point over here. So as you can see, the price didn't, in 15 minutes time frame, price didn't manage to shift the structure, so continue moving to the upside until we create another high. So if we create another high, it means that to take this trade we need the price to break this low, right? So the price come, now we are concentrating on finding entries. So price come, break this structure, come also at the break of this structure. If you see 4H time frame, provide the second rejection, which was this strong engulfing candlestick, engulfing candlestick. So 1 hour actually still bearish. 15 minutes, this is when we are waiting for that engulfing candlestick entry conference, which was something like around here, and now the price is completely, this is 1 to 3 risk reward, because I'm targeting daily time frame around here, which is strong support support level. So if this candlestick will close with that will close under this area, I will just set and forget and wait the price to reach at that area of interest. So that is recap on NZD CHF.